Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2015 RX350 Technology Package in the Starfire Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include HID headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, headlamp washer switch, power liftgate, fuel door release, blind spot monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15 Speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, dual zone climate control, center locking differential, heated and ventilated front seats, sunroof, heated steering wheel, black interior in great condition, and of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.